Now we turn to our announcements section. Warren, you wanted to talk about our milestone, didn't you?
For this week's announcements, basically what we have are a couple of things. Most importantly, the first one has to do with our Centurion celebration. And by the way, that comes up on November the 5th. You guys have been joining us for these celebrations, and we're looking forward to seeing you guys. It's a very important celebration for us as we reach our 100th anniversary of the Blind Android Users podcast. So mark your calendars. As we get closer and closer, we'll send emails on our email group as well as on our Telegram group.
Since that's on Bonfire Night here in the UK, do you think that 100th celebration will go with a bang?
It absolutely will go with a bang. And you know what? I'm counting on you to find that bang sound for us. How about we do that?
I will find you. Yes, there'll be fireworks during that festival, that celebration.
It will
Yay!
definitely go with a bang if someone has one of those Samsung Notes from 3 or 4 years ago. That
Oh, I
kept
can get
exploding.
one, just also to celebrate my upcoming birthday, which is a week after that. So, we can have like a triple celebration that day.
Oh, yeah. Look forward to that.
Mm.
The only other announcement I had was I was going through my emails, and it struck me that there's a confluence between two guests that we've had on this year. In that, Kim and Chris Nova from Mystic Access are recording an audio tutorial on the BlindShell Classic 2. You'll recall we interviewed Diane Ducharme last week. So if you're interested in that, you can pre-order it on the Mystic Access site, and I think it's $30. And they are hoping to release it next month. So go on there. And I think whether or not people register interest depends on whether they'll record it. So if you think you want audio documentation on the BlindShell Classic 2, go on there. You prepay, but if they don't do it, they don't charge you. So might be worth doing if you think that audio documentation is useful. Link obviously in the show notes.